Hey guys, welcome back. So today we have a 35 ST 2024 Contender. Now this boat is an absolutely gorgeous boat. It's equipped with Seakeeper and it's got triple Yamaha. It's the new 350s. So it is an amazing, amazing vessel. Now this boat came to us because number one, we did a little bit of gel coat repair on it because it's got some chipping up under the hull. Number two, the Lumitech light bar needs to be replaced because it's got water in it. Not only that, the biggest aspect of what we're doing, we're going to be protecting this vessel. Now the engine cowlings are going to get completely corrected and coated. Same with the outside of the hull. It's actually got finish marks back from the factory. We're going to be removing all the haze. It's got a little bit of oxidation being a year old. This boat is fished. This boat has scales all in the scuppers. It is well used, but it's an amazing vessel. So we're actually going to be going through the entire inside, the entire outside of this vessel, every single fish box, every compartment. Now, the teak on the steering wheel area, every single aspect of this boat is going to be completely coated, including the T-top. We're going to be going through all the metal on this boat, such as the T-top framing and all the tubing. Everything on this boat that you see is going to be touched, protected, clean, completely detailed by us. So we'll take you guys in on this video. We'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.